Hello and welcome to another shaky rendition of Math is Easy step by step. Got some shaking happening here. My goodness, I apologize. Oh, for all the shaking that's happening here. It seems like I take a breath and everything just starts to shake. Oh my goodness. Well, excuse me. This is the last of the four types of problems. We're looking to find answers in terms of P. And so if you want to try to answer this one on your own, go ahead and stop, pause the video, do the best you can. I'm going to explain the test question, maybe show you the first step in what you want to do. And then from there, I'm going to stop this video and start part 2 video because I don't like to rush through things. Excuse me. And part 2 video could probably take a little bit of time explaining just a few things. So I don't like to skip steps. I like to go step by step by step. That helps math learners who are struggling in math understand math clearly when you do it step by step by step. Remember, math is easy, step by step. If you like these videos, if they're helpful, please follow and share these videos with others so they can understand how to answer some of these difficult GED math test questions that they could possibly see on the exams. Help me help others. All right, thank you for your time. So, jumping right into it. So, which option below is the best answer in the terms of P? We have the expression x times y to the second power times z. All right, and x is equal to p to the fifth power, y is equal to p to the negative 2 power, and z is equal to 1 over p, or 1 divided by p. Every fraction is a division problem. So we have options. Which are the best answer or options in regards to terms of p? Where A, p to the 99th exponential power, B is 0, C is 1, and D is 1 divided by p to the 99th power. So which option is best, A, B, C, or D? Go ahead and hit pause. Give a try. Come on back and watch these part 1 and part 2 videos to determine if you had answered this test question correctly. All right, so I'm moving on and I'm going to go over this first step, number 1. So step 1, and again, if I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, rewind, and watch these videos over and over and over and over and over and over again as much as you need to do. All right, so the first step is to use substitution method, and you want to replace everywhere you see an x, you want to replace with p to the fifth power. Okay, and it helps to organize by keeping these values inside parentheses. Anything right next to a parentheses means multiply. So that original problem, x next to y to the second power next to z, all means multiplications. So x times y times z, right? So go ahead and try to organize that way. So we'll substitute p to the fifth power for x, and then y raised to the second power with p to the negative 2 for the y. That power to the power of 2 stays power of 2. And then everywhere you saw z, you'd want to substitute 1 divided by p. And it's going to look something like this. So our original expression, x times y to the second power times z, should look something like this after step 1. P to the fifth power times p to the negative 2 power raised to that power of 2 times 1 divided by p. This is where you should end up with after you substitute the values for x, y, and z. Don't forget that power to 2 right here. It's very important. If you forget that power of 2, it will change the outcome of your answer, A, B, C, or D options. So I'm going to end this video here. It's pretty quick. I'm going to go over in part 2, I'm going to go over a few of the exponential rules and how to solve this particular problem. At the conclusion of that part 2 video, I'm also going to go over terms. You can paste into an internet search, copy and paste, and find worksheets that will help you practice with answers your new skills. Or if they're not new skills, just continue your review with skills that you've already learned and you understand. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for your time, your donation, your tips. Thank you for spending your time with me.